Introducing the new Cooper&Hunter split system line, engineered for performance, flexibility, and total comfort. This cooling-only system features a top-discharge design for efficient airflow and reliable operation. The multi-position air handler features an advanced A-shaped coil. It supports 4 installation positions and includes horizontal and vertical condensate drain pans. With capacities ranging from 18,000 to 60,000 BTUs, the wall-mounted air handler is built with a fully insulated cabinet, along with multi-stage blower speed control, high heat transfer efficiency, and low static pressure drop. Available from 18,000 to 36,000 BTUs. Outside, the top-discharge condenser features a durable gold fin coating to help prevent corrosion and supports easy installation, even with pre-existing, non-insulated line sets. Compatible with any universal 24-volt wall thermostat. The new split system line by Cooper&Hunter delivers reliability, efficiency, and comfort you can count on. Cooper&Hunter, addicted to comfort.